Are you seeing the lift without surgery? Let me show you how. Hi, welcome to Aura Aesthetic. My name is Dr. Garima Verma. If you're seeing early signs of aging, your skin is sagging, your jawline is not that accurate as before, this video is for you. As we age, we start losing collagen and elastin in our skin. You will see that जो firmness है स्किल की जो elasticity है वो पहले से अच्छी नहीं है, धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है. आपकी जॉ लाइन जो है पहले इतनी शार्प थी, अब वो नहीं है. नेजोलेबियल फोल्ड, आपको स्माइल लाइंस आ रही हैं और आप अब थोड़े से थके थके से टायर्ड लगने लगे हो, पहले जितना फ्रेश नहीं होते हो, इवन दो यू आर वेरी एक्टिव, यू आर ईटिंग गुड, यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग राइट. So HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound. What it does, it works on the every kind of layers of your skin, same layers targeted in the surgical facelift. With time, it will actually boost naturally your collagen in the skin, and over the time, slowly, it will actually firm your skin. So these are the actual results at our clinic. Can you see the jawline, the sagging skin which has improved? She has a lot of smile line problem which is still there, but in one session it has improved enormously. Even her under eye bags has improved. So you can see that with gradual time, this works really well by boosting your collagen, and the effect of it remains long lasting and permanent. But whatever the aging criteria will happen in 2 to 3 years, it will obviously age your skin. But if you have a healthy lifestyle, you can maintain the results for a very long time. If you are somebody who is in your 20s, 40s, and even early 50s, then this treatment works magical for you because it not only works on the superficial level, it goes very deep inside your skin depending on the cartridge which is being used at the clinics. So you should also make sure to discuss all these things with the clinics and your doctor, that what all cartridges are being used, which levels they are targeting, why they are targeting, and what exactly the result will be seen in coming time. Because everything in aesthetic is natural, which takes time. But when you're putting your money and effort, you really need to know that what is working and what is not. Don't run behind for something very quick, what you can see in just 10 days, or very it should have very fast results, because faster results always have a problem of not staying for very long, and that is the problem which is happening now, right now, in the aesthetic world. What you can expect is your skin tightening, skin rejuvenation, lifting of the skin. There is no downtime in this. There is no needles. You can exactly on the same point of time go to anywhere else, or on the same day you can go to office, next day you can go anywhere. You just have to take care of few things, which is your moisturization and sunscreen. You will not feel the burning of the skin or any kind of such things which is visible to others. So this is a very safe, a very good procedure which helps a lot of people. Just try it out. If you want any consultation, we do online consultations as well, we do offline consultations as well. You can ask people that how it works. When we share many results to many people who have the inquiry, this is not something which is magic. People just expect that every line and every crease will be gone. It's not like that. It works very gradually, and but it works actually. So I think I have answered many questions. If you have any of the questions, queries, any comments, please do write the comment in the comment box, and I will be happy to answer it.